Honourable member for Innisfail Sylvan Lake, followed by Calgary Northwest.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The Health Minister continues to undermine the confidence in our healthcare system. Last year, the Premier promised funding to cover insulin pumps for all Albertans who needed them to manage their disease. In January 2013, the Minister of Health said that 1,600 Albertans would be covered at a cost of $18 million. Today, there is only $5 million and only 300 Albertans will be covered. How could this government be so cruel as to promise thousands of Albertans hope when you clearly could not deliver?
Mr. Speaker, we just had the opportunity to have 6 hours of budget discussions. This member was there and heard very clearly the commitment from the minister on the insulin issue, and the commitment was made very loud and clear on behalf of the government that this program is work in progress, and the minister is completely committed to this program.
I was there. He promised $18 million in January, $5 million at budget and estimates. And given that, according to the Canadian Diabetes Association, 6,200 patients should be eligible for these pumps, and the minister promised to help 1,600 of them just 2 months ago in January, but today is only covering just 300. And given that of the $5 million allocated, less than half of that is going to the actual pumps, what is the rest of the money being spent on, and why is it not being used to fulfill the Premier's promise to type 1 diabetics?
Well, Mr. Speaker, I made it very, very clear that the commitment in the budget, it's in the budget, it's a budget item. The minister has defended it in estimates and is committed to this program. This will not be decided by politicians who gets the insulin pumps and who gets the support. Clinical advice from medical professionals will determine those in most need. This program we are committed to this program. Promises made, promises kept.
Wow. Less than half of the budget allocated is going to funding pumps. It's fewer dollars for fewer patients, but that's not the whole problem. Why was the Premier bragging about insulin pumps yesterday as part of her year 1 accomplishments when the only thing that's been accomplished was another broken promise?
Mr. Speaker, I know the member's commitment to her constituents and to those of Albertans that are looking for support in the insulin pumps. It's a line item in the budget. It will be passed, this budget, and it will be acted upon. I promise you that.